Hey there. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet effective exercise to wake up those sleepy glutes. If you spend most of your day sitting at a desk, you need to try this 2-minute glute activation drill. It's perfect for people of all ages and fitness levels, especially those who sit for long periods or have weak glutes. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about why it's essential to have a strong brain to glute connection. The glutes are the largest and strongest muscles in the entire body, responsible for proper posture, balance, and movement. A weak connection can lead to compensations in other muscles and an increased risk of injury. So, by engaging or activating your glute muscles, you can boost your athletic abilities, decrease the likelihood of injury, and improve your overall quality of life. Now, let me walk you through the 2-minute drill. Follow along with me step by step, and you'll have it down in no time. All right, and now for the actual 2-minute drill. So, we're going to lay down on our back. Get in the hook line position. We're going to put 2 fingers from each hand on each glute. Then we're going to neutralize the pelvis. So we don't want to have an arch back. We want the whole back, lower back specifically, touching the ground. Then we want to get prepared. I'm going to start my timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're going to flex the left glute for 10 seconds. Then we are going to now flex the right glute for 10 seconds. Make sure we're breathing the whole time. And now we're going to flex the left glute again. This is a little bit difficult, especially if you've never done it before. Right glute again. And even if you have done this before, any type of like glute activation exercises, this gets pretty difficult. It's challenging at least. Left glute again for 10 seconds. Counting down. Right glute again for 10 seconds. I keep staring at my garage lights, which are basically floodlights if you can't tell how bright it is in here. All right, left glute for 10 seconds. And I keep doing it even though I keep saying not to do it. I can barely see my timer on the wall. Right glute for 10 more seconds. We're breathing. We're keeping that back from arching. Mine started to arch a little bit there. We are at 40 seconds. Left glute again for 10 seconds. And once again, if you can't really get the activation, feel it with your fingers. That's what palpate means. And then we're going to right glute for 10 more seconds. Make sure that lower back is not arching up. Maintaining contact with the floor. All right, 20 seconds, left glute. So at the end of this one, for the last 10 seconds, we're going to squeeze both glutes as hard as possible. 3, 2, 1. Now squeeze both glutes as hard as you can. We've got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Consistently performing the 2-minute drill comes with several benefits, such as improved posture, enhanced athletic performance, reduced risk of injury, stronger mind-muscle connection, and an overall enhanced quality of life. To get the most out of the 2-minute drill, make sure to avoid these common mistakes and keep these tips in mind. Don't arch your back. Ensure you are contracting your glutes and not other muscles. Contract your glutes as hard as possible. Be consistent in performing the exercise. And there you have it. The 2-minute drill is an easy and effective way to improve your glute activation and create a stronger brain to glute connection. By incorporating this exercise into your routine, you can enjoy better posture, enhanced athletic performance, and an improved quality of life. So, give it a try and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to move like a human. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.